Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kia, and today I want to show you all these color guides that I got from Gildan. So let me move my bleach. These are just color guides for different shirts that Gildan sells, and I want to bleach them today to kind of get like an idea of which Gildan shirts bleach and which ones do not. I know a lot of times as crafters or people who sell shirts, we all get confused about what can bleach, what can sublimate, because there's so many different types of shirts out there. So I figured I would make this video to help us out, at least with the bleaching part for a lot of the Gildan shirts. This is just what Gildan sent me when I sent in my request. So I will be using this bleach right here. This is a Walmart brand bleach. From my understanding, this is the regular bleach. I know a lot of people have problems with like the splash bleach and different things like that. So hopefully this is the correct bleach. I really hope so, because I'm about to put it all over these samples. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm going to use just a bowl to put my bleach in, and I'm using these Q-tips. I think I'm gonna use mine. I think I'm gonna do full on bleach. I don't know, I might put a little water in it, I really don't know. But let me show y'all these real quick. So these are the comfort colors. This is the comfort color guide. I kind of want to back y'all up a little bit, see if y'all can see it a little better. But the comfort colors, and this is what the shirts look like. I do have, like, it shows basically all of the colors that they have for these shirts. So now, hold on y'all. Okay, so yeah, this is that. It just tells you all of the shirt colors that they have, and then they have theirs where it says just more about the colors. It lets you know what styles they have in what colors. And then they also have this color blast section. Let's see if y'all can see it. The color blast is new, so it looks like it's colored tie-dye, like the tie-dye bleach is basically what it is, but they already have it done for you. So we'll start with the comfort colors. Then there's American Apparel style for Gildan, and these are their color options. So they have like this Try Oatmeal, which I think is really cool looking, and just all these other colors. I do love that this one has a fabric guide. If y'all can see, it has a fabric guide, so it lets you know what type of shirt, like what you can do with it. So this one is a fine jersey. It's 100% cotton, and the way you can decorate it is DTG. You cannot do embroidery. You can do HTV, you can do screen print, and you cannot do sublimation. So this is really good to help us out with all the different type of shirts, like what we can and cannot sublimate on, or what we can and cannot screen print on, which really you can screen print and put HTV on anything. It's the sublimation part that gets confusing. But I really like this. I wish all their guides had this, but it does not. Then it tells you all of the colors that they have for each type of shirt. So you can go through here. It'll tell you about like the classic fit versus semi-fitted, fitted. So you'll know like all their shirts fit different. It's something I didn't know whenever I first started with my shirts, so this really is nice to have. And then it goes on, same thing for the fine jersey, poly cotton. It tells you what the combo is, all that type of stuff. Okay, so I'm not gonna go through all of these because they pretty much all are the same. It's just the colors are different. I am gonna go through all of them as far as bleaching them, but I'm not gonna go through all of them as far as like explaining them, because they're literally all the same, and I don't want this video to be too long. but we can do a little flick through. So what I want to do is go ahead and start pouring my bleach. Y'all. Oh my gosh. Well, that was a huge fail. I literally underestimated my bleach, and yeah, it caused this big issue, so I can't even tell what color is what. So we're gonna do it the way that I wanted to do it, which was take the bleach, do a dab in the middle, so that way we can still see the regular color, and then go from there. My next one will come out way better than this. This was a fail. I'm going to try to bleach this side just to see if anything will bleach. So now I'm going to take this outside. Y'all, this I literally just dropped my Q-tip in there. This is just not my crafting day. Like, this is terrible. I keep dropping everything and making such a mess. When stuff like this happens to me, I literally don't even want to keep going. But some colors do not bleach full on white, some do. So hopefully this will help us see like what bleaches really white and what bleaches like a creamy orangish type of color. Okay, so if y'all can tell already, some colors are bleaching. So like this cream bleached white, this pink is bleaching white, safety green in this is not bleaching at all, neither is athletic heather. Ashen white, graphite, nope, no change. And these are bleaching like a dark color. So I'm about to go put these out in the sun. Alright, so now we're going to do anvil. We're starting with the neon yellow.
Brian Little.
I love you too. So this is the one I messed up. I completely forgot to do this side. Alright, now we can do the American Apparel. Alright, I'm gonna put this one out. So my last book is Comfort Colors. Comfort Colors can be bleached, but not sublimated. I have not seen a Comfort Colors that has polyester, according to this book. So it's looking like Comfort Colors barely even bleaches. So these would probably just be like really great shirts for screen printing. Okay, some on this side bleach. So that looks like that's about it. Okay, as y'all can see, we only have a little bit of sun left. Not much at all. So I'm going to throw this right here and see what we get. These, I think, are pretty much done. Then I have one over here and I have one in my backyard. So this one is this is the gilded one that I had messed up. These are how these are looking. All of these look white because they completely bleached. So for all of these, I would have to look at the actual colors, but I know they're blues and purples. So pretty much all the blues and purples of this one bleach, like every color bleaches. This is the Comfort Color ones that I just put out. American Apparel, Anvil, and then the other one that I have is back there in my backyard. So I'm gonna let this one stay longer. I think I'm gonna let these stay a few more minutes and check on the one in the backyard. Okay, so I want y'all to see how these turned out. This is the Anvil color swatches. These are the colors that bleach and the colors that did not bleach. So y'all can see that. Again, that's Anvil. Now we have Color and Style for American Apparel. Athletic Blue does not bleach at all. Neither does Neon Heather Pink. And then you put this fabric guide back in there. Now we will do the Style and Color for All Style. These are the colors. Safety Green does not bleach. Athletic Heather does not bleach. Like most of the grays do not bleach. But the pigment colors pretty much do not bleach for Comfort Colors. The direct and reactive colors do bleach. Just so y'all know. So if you're going to do screen printing or HTV, no bleach, I would recommend the pigment colors. But if you know you want to bleach and screen print, do these direct after colors. Now this one is the Gildan one that I messed up. These are the regular Gildan shirts that they have at like our local Hobby Lobby and Michael's. These are like the $2.99 shirts. For the most part, all of the colors that you get at Hobby Lobby will bleach. Like all of these whites bleach because this is where I dropped all of my bleach. So definitely, like, if you don't see on this one, if you don't see a bleach spot, it's not gonna bleach at all because I dropped it all over this page, as y'all saw in the beginning of the video. These bleach though, like literally all of these except for Safety Pink. Heather Sport Red does not bleach. Old Gold bleach just a tad but barely. Terracotta bleach just a tad, like on the ends, but like these oranges, no. Sunset Sport, anything Sport does not bleach. Antique Cherry Red bleached all the way. These antiques, Antique Orange, Antique Heliconia, those all bleached. They were red, orange, and the Heliconia color, but since I dropped the bleach, they're gray now. So these do bleach. These all bleached. So this whole bottom row bleached. That was red. This was red, as you can see right there. You can see where it was red. This was red. These are all reds. So all these bleached. All that bleached. Paprika, that was a red. Tangerines, orange, like this literally all bleached. Now up here, same thing. All of these bleach. All these purples, they bleach. The light blue bleaches. This was the orchid color because that was only spot. Heatherberry. So all purples bleach except for the Sport Purple. Everything else purple bleaches. Sport Light Blue does not bleach. Once again, it's Sport. Royal bleaches. Heather Blue bleaches a little. The Heather Royal. These all bleach. They all bleach. This was a plum, cobalt, maroon. These are some purples and blues. All bleach. Once again, Sport does not bleach. This bleached. Heather Sport Royal did not bleach. Flow Blue does. Maroon Mist does. Heather Sport Maroon does not. Once again, because it's Sport. So, yeah. These all bleached, and these are the colors that they bleached. And these all bleached. Pretty much. Yeah, except for Sport. So, and they all pretty much bleach white. Some kind of bleach, like a brownish color. And then others, like Antique, bleaches gray. But everything else pretty much bleaches white. Some might bleach a little yellow. But to get those yellows out, maybe you can let it sit a little longer. But yeah, that's all of the colors. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some suggestions in my comments of more videos that you would love to see. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.